Major issue. One was on the minorities. Minority. Second was on council. Third was on development. On minorities, one issue was there. 2012 Parikar Bhavan seat for minorities. That time we got 21 seat plus the BJP in Goa. Second time in 2017, Patte Parikar gave a lot of seats to minority. Again we formed the government but with less seats. आता पत्ते दा कांग्रेस एमएलए joined the BJP. 8 minorities. So my request now at present we have 35% MLAs minority in the BJP. So Mudar request to the party is to give 35% seats to minority again. So minority will come on board with the BJP. This is one point. Second, council. As हमको धनपाल हमको join झाला. So we have become much more stable. I am become more stable. This was message for everybody, but the council is with me. Thirdly, on development part, Vasco is getting stepmother treatment. I've said again and again. But on 8 July, CM Ravindra Bhavan, तुम्ही आले Ravindra Bhavan त्यांना CM त्यांना CM promise केले that he will start the work immediately in phases. Then they waiting for legal opinion. Last week the legal opinion came. Carl, yes, the board meeting. The board meeting decision they call that they will tender their work within 10 days from yesterday. 10-15 days maybe. So now I'm requesting CM through the media. I'll write to him also maybe on Monday after the minutes come that take up the work immediately on the first phase of the bus stand. So development on three issues actors.
A lot of people are confused.
So I आता सांगले media. Utpal Parikar decision गेला. He may have to take harsh decisions. I also may be forced to take harsh decisions. Things are against me.
But do you admit that people are in touch?
Good,
But do you admit that some people are in touch with Daji Santo?
See, everybody is touching everybody. That way, even many people are in touch with me. IPEC people are in touch with me. That way, many people are in touch with everybody.
But what about the
As of today, we have so many councillors backing me. Secondly, many candidates have joined us. We had on September 8th party president. Many have joined us, candidates. So that is my strength.
So don't you think that with such a good performance for council election, there is no chance for the party to deny you a ticket? So what is the reason for the basic press conference today?
See, Vasco basically was a Congress seat, not a BJP seat. We have kept it as BJP seat. So BJP party must also think of it.
It's pretty clear as far as Carlos is concerned. He has said that he would need to take a harsh decision if the need arises. So obviously, it's very clear he is contesting the upcoming elections in 2022. Whichever ticket he is sitting on, we as councillors, all of us, and it's the entire team, we will be with Carlos Almeida sincerely together, all of us, for the 2022 elections.
What about some councillors are already affiliated with the party?
For us, Carlos, if we have won our election, we'll be very clear as councillors, all of us. Carlos has played a big role in our victory for some of us in our previous 2015 term and now in this present election of the councillors. And we are grateful to him. But it is our duty to be with him now.